Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to remove the background of any photo in just 1 minute? Let me show you how. Today I will show you how to remove the background of a photo using the InShot app. After removing the background, you can replace it with any picture or any skin you want. And the best part is this whole process takes less than 1 minute. So let's start. First time, go to the Google Play Store and download the InShot app. You can go to the Google Play Store and search InShot. After you can write InShot, you can easily get this app. Now install it and open. After open InShot app, now click photo icon and click new icon. Now select your photo that you remove the background. Now scroll downward and find out the option cutout. Now select cutout option. Now you can see magically remove your photo background. Now click the check mark. Now you can change easily background of your photo. Click the background icon and select the gallery icon. Now select your background. After select background, you can easily replace it. Now zoom in your photo and you can easily move the photo and select any position. Now work is finished. After finish the work, save your photo in your gallery so you can click export icon. When you click export icon, your photo is successfully saved in your gallery automatically. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorial. Also let me know in the comments what topic you want to see me to cover next. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.